Do you want to learn how to sell digital products online and make thousands of dollars in passive income every month doing so? In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of finding a profitable product and niche to sell in, how to create your product easily in Canva, and how to make sure your product stands out against the competition so you can make thousands of dollars every month. The best part about selling digital products like these is that you can create them once and they'll continue to sell for years to come without you doing any additional work. So you can make money while you're sleeping, while you're on vacation, or while you're spending time with family and friends. Today I'm going to focus specifically on selling digital printables on Etsy. This is a fantastic opportunity because there is a huge demand for products like these on Etsy, and creating them is very simple, as I'll show you later in the tutorial. Unlike physical products, digital printables don't require inventory or shipping, meaning you can create a product once and sell it indefinitely. This not only keeps your costs low, but also allows you to focus on creating more designs rather than handling the complex logistics involved with selling physical products. Plus, Etsy's large and active user base means there's a steady stream of potential customers looking for printable designs, whether it's for home decor, planners, invitations, lots of other types of products. There are literally hundreds of types of printable products that you can sell on Etsy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to give you an example of a niche and product that is currently unsaturated on Etsy and that shop owners are currently making thousands of dollars per month selling. For example, this seller is making $4,627 every month, and this seller is making $3,891 every month, and both shops focus on just this one niche and selling variations of this single type of product that I will show to you. And if you want more ideas on what types of digital products you can sell on Etsy, I've put together a list of 50 digital product ideas that you can download completely for free by clicking the link below in the description. Now on with the tutorial. First, let me show you how to find ideas for products like these on Etsy. To do so, I'm going to be using the research tool Allura. If you want to follow along with me in the research, you can click the link in the description to sign up for a free account with Allura. Once you're in Allura's dashboard, you're going to want to come over to the left-hand side and click on research. Here you can search for keyword and type in whatever keyword you're looking for. For example, here we could type in printables and see what comes up. What you want to do when you're searching for keywords is you want to look for the search volume versus the competition. And over here, Allura makes it really easy and shows you a score, which contrasts the search volume with the competition. So for example, coupon template here, we can see that it has a score of 97, which means there's a high search volume, but not as much competition as some of the other keywords like just printable by itself. So you can keep scrolling down and seeing some ideas of products that you want to sell. Gift coupon template here has a really high score. Printable calendar, it looks like, has a high score. So this is a way that you can do keyword research. And once you've found a keyword that you think is worth researching, like here coupon template has a score of 97, you can come over to Etsy and search for coupon template in the search bar. And then what you want to do is scroll down and see what the options are and see kind of what the competition looks like. And something interesting that you can do when you're doing your Etsy research is that you can click on a product that you think is interesting and then look at the shop page in general and see what other types of products they're selling. For example, this shop I saw is selling a lot of coupon templates, like what I was searching for, but it's also selling things like custom wall collages, which could be a really interesting opportunity. So if you find other product ideas that you think might be worth researching, go back to Allura and type in the keyword that you found and see what the competition is and what the score might be. Sometimes looking at other sellers' shops can give you even more ideas of the types of products you can sell. So when you have any new ideas, come back over to Allura and type the product into the keyword search to see what search terms are relevant and what the competition is like for those keywords. Now that you know how to use Allura to research profitable product ideas and keywords, I will now show you an example product and what tools you can use to create this product. In doing product research, I came across this product, Icebreaker Games. When you look at this keyword in Allura, you will see that the competition is very low and the search volume is very high, which gives this a product score of 100. So I came over to Etsy to see what types of products were selling well in this niche. And something that I noticed right away is that some sellers are selling one icebreaker game per listing, and other sellers were bundling them together, for example, 8 games in one listing. And to me, this looks like a good opportunity because you can get $8 for a bundle versus $3 for just a single game. And you can sell both types, but it's nice to have a bundle where the price point is higher so that your fees are going to be a little bit lower. When I clicked on this listing and saw this icebreaker game bundle, I then clicked to the shop page and saw that this seller is selling lots of different bundles for similar types of games with different themes. For example, this summer game bundle has games, word search, categories, trivia, riddles, word scramble, all in a summer theme. And the same shop is selling lots of other different bundles under different types of themes, for example, family reunion, graduate, office party, birthdays, and they're using similar games for each of these products, just changing it up based on the theme. Because this product and niche of icebreaker games has a high search volume and lower competition, this is an opportunity where you could create similar products and succeed on Etsy just like these other sellers we've looked at. So now I'm going to go into Canva and show you how you can easily create products similar to these. I'm using a Canva Pro account because I like to have access to all the graphics, fonts, photos, and other elements that the Pro account offers, and you can get a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro by clicking the link in the description of this video. I'm going to create something similar to the summer-themed icebreaker games that we saw when we were searching on Etsy. For today's example, I'll be creating a printable page of summer-themed riddles. Something else great about this type of product is that you can come up with great content for these icebreaker games by using ChatGPT to help you. To create my riddles for this game, I first asked ChatGPT to please give me 20 riddles that were summer-themed. I didn't really like the results that ChatGPT gave me with this simple prompt, so what I did then was to find riddle examples that were a little higher quality, and I asked ChatGPT to please give me 10 riddles related to a summer theme that were similar in nature to these riddles, and then I pasted the higher quality riddles. I then asked ChatGPT to give me 10 more similar to that, and again 10 more similar to that, and from those 30 riddles, I selected the 10 that I liked the best and typed them all into a document to use for my printable game. When you click to add text in Canva, an option that comes up is font combinations, where it gives you templates with 2 different complementary fonts. I found this one I liked called Awesome News, and if you like it, feel free to search Awesome News in Canva to use it for your own products. I changed the font color all to black because I liked the way that looked better, and then I went to the document where I had saved my riddles from ChatGPT and came and pasted them into my Canva product. I created lines for each riddle where the participants can write their answers, and then I created a section at the bottom of the sheet where I pasted in the answers to the riddles, which I put in a random order. Once I had finished formatting all of the text, I then went to Canva's huge library of graphic elements and chose some summer-themed graphics that I liked to put up at the top by the title. And that's it. This printable took me about 15 minutes to create. Multiply that by 8 other printables for a bundle, and you're looking at about 2 hours of work needed to create a bundle like this to sell on Etsy. You just have to do this initial work up front, and then the listing can continue to make you money over and over for years to come. Now you know how you can create products like these easily in Canva, but you might be thinking, what if I create all these products for my Etsy shop and then I get no sales? How can I guarantee that my shop will make sales and succeed alongside all of my competitors? People often say that Etsy is too saturated to be able to succeed as a new seller, but this couldn't be further from the truth, and you can find plenty of proof for this by using Allura's research tool. Simply go into Allura, click on Research, and then on Shop. Under the Explore Shop section, type in the category you're looking for, in this instance, digital prints. Then under Revenue, type in a minimum of $5,000 per month, and under Details, type in the shop age text box a maximum of 365 days, and you'll see that there are plenty of shops that have been open for only 1 year or less that are making thousands of dollars per month. I found this shop selling digital files that makes over $5,000 a month, and this one that makes over $16,000 a month, and another one making almost $15,000 a month. And if you expand your search to find sellers who have been in business for 2 years or less, you'll see that there are loads more that are making above this threshold. So how can you repeat this success? How can you be one of these sellers that is making thousands of dollars in your first 1 to 2 years? First, niche down and focus on really excelling in your niche. You'll see a lot better success from finding a niche that is in demand, as I showed you how to do earlier in the tutorial, and focusing on a small range of products that are all related to this niche. Second, fill your shop with as many products as you can. A full shop ensures that you have as many chances as possible to get sales and see growth in your store, and it demonstrates to customers that you are a real business with a professional product range. Third, rely on data to drive your decisions about what types of products to put in your shop. A big mistake that new Etsy sellers make in this space is just creating products because they like them or just guessing what people want to buy. Don't do this. To succeed, you instead need to become very familiar with doing thorough market research to see what is in high demand right now on Etsy. This is where a tool like Allura becomes absolutely essential in growing your digital products business. With Allura's tool, you can continue finding keywords that have a high search volume and search for shops succeeding in your niche and see what they are selling. You can use the link in the description to get a free Allura account, and if you ever want to use the additional paid features, you can always upgrade your account later. Fourth, treat your Etsy digital download shop like a real business, because it is. Be patient when you don't see tons of sales coming in right away. Be persistent and continue growing your shop until you start to see these consistent sales. There are so many ways to make money online, and you have to remember that most business ideas and methods for making money online are feasible and able to make you money, but only if you really dedicate yourself and put in the time, patience, and persistence to make it work. The reason many small businesses fail in their first year is because business owners give up when they don't become an overnight success. But what people don't realize is that if you're just willing to be persistent until you hit that year mark, 2-year mark, and beyond, you will have outlasted all the people who weren't really willing to put in the work to succeed past initial failures. It's absolutely possible to grow a successful business from scratch. You just need to be willing to be persistent.